Squad! This is again your Altea Marie J. Faustino. I'm in your Altea Marie J channel. Today guys, we're playing the ASMR Tower. What the hell? And then my brother is here too. Wait a minute guys, I need to take off this one. Once again, you're beautiful. Little brother guys. My name is Zach Nicole J. Faustino. Shout out dyan sa aking kapatid.
Shout out ako nag-video ko kasi nagtayang sa video ko.
Guys, may channel rin yung kapatid ko guys. Sobrang nakatawa guys. Yan yun lang yung nag-comment. Ako kasi doon guys. Nag-comment ako. Yun siya yung first. Okay, back to our language. Okay guys, still playing this game. This tower. This is ASMR tower. The one that I like. Maybe.
Yes, me and my ate they that too. Yeah.
Yep. We already played this.
Kumaya. Dito.
Guys, comment if we're gonna play next game. Squid Game or Slap the Tower. Oh no. Squid Game or no, I'll get Squid Game or Brookhaven. Just comment there what we're gonna play next. Guys, this is so satisfying.
Sagot mo ay
Diba Zaki, iba na ang language natin? Guys, my content of language is English. Then my real language was Tagalog because I'm from Philippines. By the way, guys, oh my god, sorry guys, I died.
Dika.
Oh. Okay. So please don't make history repeated. 'Cause I want you. Okay, guys.
Go Altea.
Yeah, my name is Altea, guys. Guys, my actually intro, somebody just say, oh my god, you're always wrong. That's my intro, guys. Hi, Mini Squad. This is again your Altea Marie J. Faustino. I'm in your Altea Marie channel. Guys, sorry guys, I fall down.
Guys, like po to kay Altea.
Guys, I'm gonna stop first because I'm just gonna record. Oh. Bye bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Guys, I'm just gonna
Oh, Siaba.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, Siaba. Changing.
Wait a minute. Okay guys, we're doing the pink stuff. Skip now. Jackie, just shut up. Don't like that. Guys, oh my god, I don't like this. Just there we go. Slay moment, girl. I wish there's a treat of princess in here. And I'm like a treat of princess. Wait a minute.
I wish you are admin.
I don't wanna be an admin. Ooh, rainbow. Guys, Sa Philippines. I know, secret. I already know what the secret. Do you not know? What is this? Is type in Roblox. You type Roblox player. No. Yeah. Oh no. Blah. Blah. That's it, guys. Oh no. Ow. 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 That's okay, guys. We need present. You're present now. No. Accepted. 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 We're almost there, guys, and I just fall. Guys, this game is ASMR, but I'm real stressed. 6-7. Putang my age, guys, is 49. I'm already 10, guys. And what grade I am? And I'm grade 5 now. No, grade 6. Grade 5. Grade next whole year. Next, you'll grade 6. Next year pa ako. Okay guys, we're on the perfect side now. I'm gonna be careful this time, guys. So please don't make history repeat. Ow! Because, oh my god. That's so close, guys. I did not control it. No! Okay, guys. I always die. I hate it. No! I don't like, guys. Bye-bye.